So we're going to cover causes. What causes conflict? We're going to cover communication methods. We're going to look at ourselves and understand a little bit, not how we contribute to the onset of conflict, but how we can contribute to the continuation of conflict, okay? Clearly, we're talking about managing it. You may find that some of the things we're talking about are common sense, okay? And I'm not here in any way to patronize any of you, but I want to come back to grassroots on some of this stuff, which is why I want us to look at ourselves and how we work, because if we understand that better, we can resolve and manage conflict better, okay? A lot of it is common sense. But when our buttons are pushed, sometimes our own common sense goes out of the window, okay? So we're going to have a look at that. So this is what we're going to learn today. We're going to understand common causes. We're going to talk about some examples. I've got lots and lots of examples to share with you, and I'm sure you'll have some examples to share back as well. We're going to look at new forms of communication for you in how we resolve some of these conflictual situations. We're going to look at communication models, recognizing patterns of behaviour. Stop it before it starts. We're going to look a little bit at why things break down, okay, so how we can overcome them. And then we're going to look at, just a raise of hands, how many of you have seen real conflict, real aggression, real violence in your practice? Okay. I sometimes do these talks and there are no hands, okay? We're gonna have a look at some of this and how we deal with it, okay? It's just so that I know how much time to spend on each area. Impact factors. The use of distance when dealing with real conflictual problems. Sorry, another question for you. How many of you have security in your practice? Okay, thank you. Understand the use of reasonable force. And then some methods.